In this video, we look at how to use the Extrude, Bevel and Edge Loop tool. Let's get started. Next, we can take a look at the tool shelf in edit mode. First, switch back to the Select Box tool. Ensure that a mesh object is selected, then press Tab and enter edit mode. Or alternatively, use the mode menu at the top of the screen to switch into edit mode from there. You can bypass all the tools we explored in object mode and come straight to the Extrude tool. Left clicking on this tool will unveil all the Extrude tools available to you. With the tool set to Extrude region, navigate to the top of the screen to change the selection method to face. Select the face on the cube now. The Extrude manipulator allows you to grab the plus icon, drag it out, and create a new section of mesh. Remember, the shortcut key for Extrude is E. The other Extrude options include Extrude Manifold, which creates manifold faces during extrusion, a brilliant addition as it adds geometry where needed to keep quads on the mesh. Other Extrude tools are Extrude along normals, Extrude individual, and Extrude to cursor. If we select Extrude to cursor tool, you can click within the scene, creating an extrusion at the cursor's location. This command can be accessed quickly as a shortcut. We can first switch the tool back to Select. Now if we press Ctrl and right click, you achieve the same outcome without needing to activate the specific Extrude to cursor tool. Next we have the Inset tool. First, let's tab back to object mode. Press A to select everything, then press X and delete all objects. To add another cube, press Shift plus S and reset the cursor to world origin, ensuring that the newly added cube is positioned at the world origin. Remember, objects added from the Add menu are placed at the 3D cursor's location. From the Add menu, we can add a cube. Now tab into edit mode. Ensure the selection type is set to face at the top. Select the face on the cube. Click the circle gizmo and drag towards the face to create an inset. Options for the inset then become available, allowing you to modify values and adjust the inset. The shortcut for this tool is the I key, and it's also found in the face menu here. Let's move on to the Bevel tool. Begin by selecting a face on the cube's side. Bevel all 4 edges by dragging them outward. If you switch to Edge Select, you can bevel individual edges. Switch to Vertex Select and choose a corner vertex. We need to change the effect type to vertices from the drop-down. Now click and drag to bevel the vertex. The shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. The command can be found in the vertex menu here. The shortcut for beveling edges and faces is Ctrl plus B. Now let's tab back to object mode. Press X and delete the cube. From the Add menu, add a second and we can tab back into edit mode. Lastly, we'll explore the Loop Cut tool. This tool places an edge loop on the mesh. Hovering the mouse close to an edge gives a preview of its position. Left click and hold to edge slide and find a desired position, then release to confirm. You can also leave the edge loop exactly at the insertion point by simply left clicking and releasing. The second tool in this menu is the Offset Edge Loop Cut. With the last edge you added still selected, left click and drag to form 2 new edges on each side. The shortcut for the Loop Cut command is Ctrl plus R. Left click to place the loop cut, drag to position it, and left click again to confirm. If you wish to leave a loop cut exactly where it's added, which is centrally between 2 edges, use Ctrl plus R. Left click, then right click. This way no edge sliding occurs and you can ensure it's centered. The shortcut for the Offset Edge Loop Cut is Ctrl plus Shift plus R. Simply drag down and left click to confirm.